Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a safe workspace and putting on eye protection. Once ready, confirm the test light works on a known 12V source so you trust its readings. Next, with the ignition off, identify the fuse box and pin down circuits you suspect are drawing power. You will remove or tap fuses one at a time. This is the first actionable step to isolate drains. Make sure to leave the negative battery terminal connected until you verify a drain exists. With the test light clip secured to the battery negative, you probe each fuse terminal carefully, one by one, so you can see when the bulb lights. Once the light illuminates, you know that circuit is drawing current. Remove fuses sequentially until the light goes out. That tells you exactly which circuit contains the drain. Once isolated, inspect the specific accessories or modules on that circuit, like radios, trunk lights, or modules, because those are the likely culprits causing parasitic. After you isolate the problem circuit, reconnect fuses and test individual components to confirm which part causes the drain. Swapping or disconnecting items helps verify the fault. Once identified, inspect grounds and wiring for corrosion or pinched insulation, because bad grounds often mimic drains. If the issue persists or diagnostics are unclear, document your findings and consult a repair manual or professional. Troubleshooting tip. If the test light behavior is inconsistent, use a digital meter to measure milliamps for a more precise reading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.